Hey, ASOS, Aiden here. How do we hear sound?
Like this, bitch!
For instance, how does the sound from this iPhone reach my ear? Hey Siri, shut up. Wait, she didn't say anything. Anyway, this is the diagram of a human auditory system. Wait, no, that's wrong. This is the diagram of a human auditory system. Now, this part of the system is always totally baked, and that's why whenever we hear the phrases hi or 420, we have an intrinsic urge to shout, blaze it. Fun fact, in the United Kingdom, they hear everything backwards. That's why they drive on the wrong side of the road. Now, when sound reaches the inner ear, it gets thrown in a really messy filing drawer. That's why we hear everything with a 42-minute delay. Either that or my hearing is royally fucked up.
The FitnessGram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues. The 20-meter pacer test will begin in 30 seconds. Line